Ayun, sige. So, happy Monday sa inyo. Inililis natin yan mga 11 o'clock or mga 12. So, depende na lang sa mga 11 natin ito i-release. So, bali, yun na ba yung bagong feature nyo in Instagram, which is pwede kayo mag-share location, and actually is makikita nyo live yung inyong location. So, sa mismong mapa ng Pilipinas. So, ano ba yung sinasabi ko sa inyo? Kasi may bagong features si Instagram, which is itong live map. Ayan, yung live map. Which is, kung sino yung mga naka-public location dyan or yung inyong visuals. So, makita nyo dyan live kung saan sila naka-share or saan sila or saan nila share location. So, actually, yung GPS natin is automatically nag-turn on yan or dyan automatic yan na nag-share the location. Basta may fixed signal kayo and nakakulot yung inyong GPS sa inyong phone or I mean is naka-automatic yung share niyan. So, basta may opening user yung phone niya is automatic na nagsisync in yung location niyan and kasi meron built-in dyan sa inyong CPU and sa inyong motherboard. Yung automatic talaga yung location niyan kung saan basta meron dyan tapos makikita nyo is automatic talaga yung location. So, basta papalito ko sa inyo return natin yung kay ChatGPT nag-wait lang. So, yan sa how does okay automatically syncs across your sorry nag-upload yung ating mic kasi narinig namin paano nag-isip yung conclusion. So, we are okay certain user online and sabihin natin kung paano. Sinasabi dyan location na linking across apps is achieved through location services and cloud synchronization using combination of GPS and sasabi ko na yun sa combination of GPS, Wi-Fi, cellular networks and Bluetooth here so it works. So yan, first location services and device level combination customer turn devices, phones, tablets, and computers to location services that allows apps to access location data happens through GPS or global positioning system that determines location based on satellite signals. Wi-Fi network system its location based on nearby Wi-Fi signals. Cellular towers is cell signals triangulation of approximate location. And then Bluetooth. Bluetooth beacons detects proximity to Bluetooth input devices or beacons which help must request user permission to access location data depending on the settings the app may have. So which is based on access or receive phone, which is the Google Maps by my iPhone. And then mine was in active only when the app is open. Precise route approximate locations and maps and general apps. As are generally done with other apps, original apps, and self coordinates and second synchronization of all sharing app synchronization across devices may include the use of services may begin upon and service from based on concepts and location across multiple apps. Meron Google, like Facebook, location services, for example, device, then third is cross app and API integration, which is the application programming interface and Google Maps API. And so next is syncing and continuous tracking. emergency services. So siya mag-check yung insurance and health apps and etc. And natin is privacy and security consideration. And then dito na yung this certain line. Basically create our stops on certain lines of operation can be determined in real time. Kaya simplifying the loss devices, locating friends or family, tracking employees, law enforcement, or emergency services, which is the location tracking. So yun lang guys, so copy na ito din the may description box para mas madami na po yan. Yan natin palagay sa location box.